Guys, today I'll be making an unboxing video of this smoke alarm. So let's get started. So first of all, it's a first alert smoke alarm. 10 years. I don't know what the thing beside it is. Ionization. Then the P, no idea what that's for. Focus. Whatever. There is a mute button. Batteries included. Some more information. Right now would be a good time to pause the video, and you can read this information. I'll just give you a couple of seconds. Alright, so now, it's the front of the box, the side of the box has some more information on it. This side, it says www.firstalert.ca. I'm pretty sure you probably couldn't see that because it's out of focus. There you go. Another picture of the alarm, and on the back it actually has where you should have a carbon dioxide detector, and a fire extinguisher, and a smoke detector. So the CO stands for carbon monoxide. So in your garage you should have an extinguisher. In your basement you have an extinguisher, a smoke detector, and a carbon monoxide. Living room you should have an extinguisher, fire alarm, or not fire alarm, smoke alarm, and a carbon monoxide detector. Kitchen you should have an extinguisher. Bedroom you should have a carbon monoxide detector and a fire alarm. In the hallway you should have a carbon monoxide alarm, fire, smoke detector, and an extinguisher in the hallway. And then this one right here, right there where my thumb is, that's just another bedroom. So some more information on the back. That would be a good time to pause the video. It's going to give you a couple seconds to read that. Don't worry about the noise in the background, just my brother being silly. If he comes in and starts talking about piggy stuff, ignore him. Alright, time's up. Alright, so now you guys are probably getting frustrated because I'm not opening the box. Well, I just wanted to, it does on the top, it says smoke and fire alarm. This is my first alarm. I do have another one of these, so I know what it sounds like. I know everything about it, but I just gotta set the camera down so I can get the box opened. Open up, you box. There we go. So you can see the box is open. And yeah, so let's take the first thing out of the box. So inside of the box, we get the actual device itself. So that's pretty cool. Let's just set this down because that's not it. There are 3 things in this box. Right here we got some instructions. Oops, it's down. Family guard. This is first alert, so I'm just going to set this down. So I can open up the instructions and show you how big these instructions are. They're packed with information, just like the Gentex instructions. So here's how big the instructions are. It's probably not focusing. It is not. There you go. So, packed with info. Info is just short for information. Look at all of that information. All of that just in one piece. That's not all the information. There's still a whole lot on the other side. Look at all of that information. So yeah, that is a lot of information. Still one more thing in the box. But first of all, I am just gonna fold up and close up the huge instruction manual. Now, I think this has more information than Gentex does. I do not actually have anything from Gentex, I just know Gentex has really packed full of information and instructions. So, still one more thing in the box. Oh, there's just my pull station that has no model number, no brand. It's so weird. It's a rare pull station, but I have it. In the bottom of the box, we get mounting hardware. So yeah, we have two of those things you'd stick in the roof and then two screws. For mounting it, I'm just gonna put the camera down, open up this pull station, not pull station, smoke detector. So yeah, so right here, I call this the nose because it smells the air and then it smells the smoke. So I call it a nose. So there's the horn right there. It's really loud. I could hear, I set this off once and I could hear it all throughout the house, and I was in the garage. Sadly, there is no video of that. And there's the light, the LED, there's the battery. So it does have this thing that you'd pull out. And what that does right now is it blocks the power from the horn, the nose, which is what I call it, and the light. So if I pull this out right now, which I'm not gonna do, sorry. Normally you would pull this out when you get it, then you would take out the battery, then you'd mount it, and then you'd put your battery back in. You'd take this out, you'd mount it, you'd put your battery back in, close up the lid, and then press your test button, which basically pressing the test. Wait, where my finger is, the test button. Basically what that does is it presses that piece of metal down. The alarm will not sound because the battery power is blocked. It does run on 9 volts. So, yeah, that's basically the whole overview. Normally, if you've seen an unboxing video on YouTube, there's usually a testing. I'm not testing this because it's like nighttime. I actually don't know what time it is, but I know it is getting late. New Year's is in a few days, so I've never stayed up till New Year's, and I'm 8 years old. But I've never stayed up till New Year's. I'll try to get a video of New Year's. I will be making New Year's. I'll try. I can't say I will, but I'll try. I'll try to remember to make a New Year's special, and all I'll be doing is pulling this cord out, closing this up, and setting off the detector and holding it for a couple seconds. So yeah, I'm just gonna go see what time currently is right now. I am almost ready to. It is actually 9:02. That is crazy. I normally go to bed at 8. Not anymore because I'm getting older. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video of. Oh, you guys are probably getting frustrated that I didn't tell you this. I forgot to tell you the model number. Oh, this was made 2018 July 11th. This thing is new. This was made just a couple months ago, and it's December right now. So the model is FG250A. Sorry if I'm reading it not how you're used to, because I am just new with fire alarms. So I'm not good at reading model numbers yet, but in the future I will get really good at them. I probably won't have horn strobes for a while. Hoping to get some for Christmas, but I didn't, sadly. So, Merry late Christmas, if for people who celebrate Christmas, and happy late holidays if you do not celebrate Christmas or you celebrate something else. But I do not know why, but beside the word model, it says no. I have no idea why. Yeah, so this was made July 11th. So yeah. There's even this thing. This. So it says plays after 10 years after installation. And then it just has it in, yeah, that's in French below what I just read. And then it says when it was in, it says the word install. If I can get the focus, it says installed. Then it says something. And so installed, it also has to say the month and the year. Then just below that is it's in French. So yeah. So soon on New Year's, I will be writing the date. I will be writing on here, like this thing. I will be writing on it, and I'll write the date. Because it will be after 12. It'll already be the new year, so I'll write 2019 instead of 18 because it is almost 19. So this will be my first fire alarm New Year special, and also my first New Year's where I stayed up. Well, I'll try to. And I'll also try to get a New Year's special with this alarm, so if I do get it, please try to watch it. So thanks for watching. Bye.